Hyundai just dropped a bombshell at the Seoul Mobility Show 2025. The refreshed IONIQ 6 and a sporty N-line that's got EV fans buzzing, sleeker, sharper, and packing a futuristic punch. Is this Hyundai's ticket to dominate the electric game? Stick around to find out. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hyundai stealing the spotlight at Seoul with the IONIQ 6 facelift and an all-new IONIQ 6 N-line. Think bold design, slick performance, and a sustainability flex that's turning heads. We're diving into what's new, why it's trending, and what's coming next. Let's roll. Alright, let's start with the star, the refreshed IONIQ 6. Hyundai unveiled this electric streamliner at Seoul Mobility Show 2025, and it's a glow-up from the 2022 OG that snagged world car design creds. The vibe? Pure flow, refined. Think smoother curves, better aero, and a look that screams future. Up front, there's a higher hood and a sharp noise design that slices through the air, paired with slim LED DRLs that ditch the old chunky lights for a sleek high-tech flex. The body's stretched longer, wider too, with horizontal lines and chrome bumper accents that say, yeah, I'm modern. Oh, and that clunky rear spoiler? Gone. Swap for a slick ducktail that boosts style and efficiency. X-posts are popping off. This thing's a spaceship now, and it's clear Hyundai's gunning to keep its EV crown. Now step aside. It's still that mindful cocoon vibe, but upgraded. Hyundai's all about comfort and ease for 2025. You got a redesigned steering wheel that feels fresh in your hands, premium door trim that screams quality, and a center console that's less "where's my stuff" and more "I got this." The climate control screen, bigger, brighter, driving simpler, and you're not squinting to tweak the AC. Sustainability's still key. Think eco-friendly materials, but it's the little touches that make it pop. X-fans are like, this interior is a vibe. And honestly, it's the kind of cockpit that makes you want to road trip just to flex it. Hyundai's proving EVs can be green and gorgeous. But hold up, the IONIQ 6 N-line's where the party's at. Dropped alongside the refresh, this sporty beast takes cues from Hyundai's RN22E concept. Sharp lines, blacked out accents, and a stance that's low and mean. Picture wing-shaped bumpers, a side sill that screams speed, and a look that says, I'm fast, even parked. It's not just eye candy. Those aero tweaks hint at performance chops, and X-posts are saying, N-line's giving me chills. Rolling Stone vibes, but for cars. People are calling it a bold play in the premium EV space. And the cherry on top? Hyundai teased the IONIQ 6N. Full reveal is July 2025. Think high-octane thrills, dual motors, maybe 600 plus horsepower like the 5N. Speed freaks, this one's for you. So why is this a big deal? Hyundai's not just tweaking, they're doubling down on EV leadership. The IONIQ 6 refresh blends sustainability with the design that turns heads, while the N-line and upcoming N variant scream performance without the gas guzzle. Seoul Mobility Show 2025 was a stage, but the world is watching. X chatter's going wild, with fans saying Hyundai's out-Sonying Sony. It's a flex against US tariffs too. Korea's keeping it sleek and sharp. For you, it's an EV that's practical yet thrilling, whether you're commuting or just craving speed. July's N drop could redefine electric fun. Mark your calendars. Are you team IONIQ 6 or holding out for the N-line sporty edge? Drop your take in the comments.